Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be covering of how to set up a custom audience to set up retargeting campaigns on Meta ads. So I'll be covering how to retarget people that have made it to your website in the last 180 days. I'll be breaking down viewed videos in the last 365 days and the same amount of time for both Instagram page viewers and Facebook page viewers. So before I get into how to set up the custom audiences, I want to stress and break down of how to view your metapixel. This is literally the lifeline of your business, so it's really important to get this set up. And to make sure it's working, come to the Ads Manager here, and on the left-hand side, you're going to want to hit Events Manager. Click on that, and now it's found in data sources now. So on the overview, hit Data Source. It's going to pop up. Now, for this video, it's just a testing pixel, so nothing's really firing, but you're going to want to make sure on this page that, it's all connected, it's all firing and all good to go. So just want to point that out for the video. Now we're going to get into creating our first custom audience, which is going to be the website visitors 180 days. So to do that, you're going to come back to the Ads Manager here, and you're going to want to come to the left-hand side and click on Audiences. All right, now that's all loaded up. We're going to go ahead and create a custom audience. So we're going to hit this button at the top left, and we're going to be prompted with a few different options here. So we have website, which we'll do. We have app activity, catalog, customer list. What's actually interesting about that, if you have a MailChimp account or Klaviyo account, you could download a CSV file and upload it into Facebook if you want to just target them as well, which is pretty interesting. And then on the meta source, we got video, we got lead form, and all that good stuff. So we'll get the website 180 days set up. So select a website and hit next, and you're going to be prompted here, and then just select your pixel. For events, select all website, and you could also do these two options. I personally haven't done it, but if you have a particular landing page that you want to bring people to, that's totally fine. But for this case, we'll stick with all website, and we'll go 180 days, and then I'll just name it website 180 days. And we'll go ahead and create the custom audience. So we got the first one out of the way. Now we're going to go ahead and create our 365 days set up for the viewed videos. So we're going to go back here to create audience, come up here, hit custom audience, and then it's going to duplicate this. So just hit back, and then under meta source, hit video, hit next. Now the engagement aspect of it, it's really going to vary on your business and what you want to do. I would recommend doing at least 3 to 10. More than that, if you go 25%, even 15%, it's kind of cutting it. You want to stay as broad as possible, especially if you're trying to retarget as many people. You want to have a wider net. So in this case, I'll just do 3, and we're going to go ahead and select the video in our accounts. So we'll just select a random one right here. Check that, hit confirm. And then the audience retention is 365 days. So we'll just go video views, 365 days. And we'll do that and create the custom audience. So that's good to go. Now, next up, we got Instagram and Facebook page. So we're going to go back here to the Ads Manager. We're going to hit create audience again. And then we're going to hit Instagram account. Now, when you're on here, just select your Instagram page. And when you come down to events, it's going to be the same deal that I talked about in the video section. So don't hit account center. Those are for people that follow you. Now, I would recommend just staying for everyone that's been engaged with your account. So again, you're trying to cast out that wide network of people to come back into your business. So you're just trying to get as many people back as possible. So I would just recommend to stay with who engaged with this professional account in the last 365. So I'm just going to rename this Instagram 365 days. And then we're going to go ahead and create that audience. And lastly, we're going to go and create our last one, which is going to be the Facebook 365. So like usual, come up top left, and then under meta source down here, underneath events, hit Facebook page, select the same page, and the same thing, people who engage with your page in the last 365 days. We'll name this Facebook 365 days. And that's pretty much it. So we got our audiences set up, and now I'm going to go to the ads manager and I want to show you how to structure your ad account for a retargeting campaign. So we're going to go here and we're going to go ahead and create a new campaign. So when you're creating a new campaign, the only two options that you're going to want to select are either leads or sales. So in this case, we'll just go sales. So once that opens up, we're going to be prompted on the campaign part. So we're going to hit ad set budget. That's good to go. And then now let's go to the ad set. And once you're on the ad set level, just name it whatever you want and scroll down. And then you're going to come to suggest an audience. So add suggestions. And then basically it's going to come up as custom audience inclusions. So you're going to want to hit this and search existing audience. And the audiences that come up are going to be the ones that we just created. So for this, you can add the Facebook 365, you can add your Instagram, you can add your website. Now, basically that's how to put it in. So how to structure it is going to be a different breakdown. So essentially what I would do is, let's say if you're running like an e-commerce campaign, and if I had a section for 180-day website visitors and 180-day purchases and add to carts, and then I had on the side Facebook and Instagram viewers, basically what I would do is I would combine both Instagram engaged and Facebook engaged into one just ad set. And then I would include those into one ad set, and then I would duplicate it, and then I would add one ad set for an add to cart, and then one ad set for the purchase ad set. So both of them would be 180 days, and I would just exclude one of them. And I'll actually break that down. So I'm gonna exclude the purchase 180 day. So just to show you what it would look like, I'm gonna say add to cart. And I'm just going to pretend that one of these I'm excluding a purchase event. So to exclude, you're going to scroll down to audience, and then under controls, you're going to hit show more controls, and then a custom audience exclusion. So search audiences, and then we're going to pretend the website is going to be the purchase event that we're going to be canceling. So we've now just excluded the website 180 days, which in this example is the purchase. And you're gonna basically do that in for the other one. So vice versa for the purchase, you're gonna exclude the add to cart 180 days. Now, I actually went ahead here and created a couple different ad sets just to break down what I was talking about before. So in one ad set, you'd have your Instagram, both Instagram and Facebook, 365. And then in the other ad set, you have your website, and then you'd have purchase 180 and add to cart and so on. And I'd also be distributing the budget at the ad set level. And that's pretty much it. And the final thing that you would do is go in here and you would upload your ad and create everything. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you all in the next one.